Hi, I am Stephen McGee, and I'm the author of Toxic Altitude. As you can see, we're in Frankfurt Airport, and we're looking at some water bottles. Now, what's going on with these water bottles is they have just come off an airplane that I took from Manchester, UK, to Frankfurt, Germany. And both of these bottles were opened at cruising altitude, and the contents were drank, and this one's completely empty, there's nothing in it. This one has a little bit in it, but you'll notice that the bottles are crushed. So we're talking about something in the book Toxic Altitude, and that is pressure changes. So when you drink out of these bottles at cruising altitude, you're drinking in a much lower pressure environment to ground level. So these bottles have the pressure of the airplane at cruising altitude in them. And you can see they're both crushed. And the reason why they've crushed is we're no longer at cruising altitude, but we're actually almost at sea level in the airport. So the pressure is much greater down here in the airport instead of up high in the sky. And that's something that a lot of people don't realize. And people will recognize this crushing as ear pressure pain. And ear pressure pain is caused by the same effect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.